Hi guys! What we're about to watch is SB19's dance cover of Solo by Jenny and Yes or Yes by Twice. I'm excited because this is something new to me. Let's go and watch it now. And shout out to Myla Gunday. Thank you for uploading this video. Let's play! They are. Oh, they wearing skirts. Look, they wearing skirts. Yeah. They're so cute when they move. Wow. Oh. Like, ang cute nila gumalaw. Sobrang cute. And, mayroon din silang mga wig. Ang cute. Oh. Except for Pablo. He's blonde. Walang wig si Pablo. They nailed the dance. Seriously, they are adorable. Watching them gives off such a good vibe. Ay, wow. They look like a girl group that could be launched. Macho si Joy. They could totally pass as a real girl group. Yeah. You can so into it. You can totally see it. Sorry po sa background na maingay. As always. Narinig ba yung sinabi ko? Ulitin mo. Sabi ko, si Ken, talagang feel na feel niya. Yeah. Grabe talaga si Ken. Vibe na vibe talaga. Yeah. Ken nailed both the feminine and masculine dance styles. Pero all of them naman can dance, but Ken stood out a bit with his sharp moves. Diba? Yeah. Okay, mauna ka, mabigyan ang text. Okay. It's so fun to watch SB19 here. They look so young dito. Like they were just starting out and still introducing their girl. Mukha silang girl eh. They group at this point. This group dances so well. All of them. Diba? Move so gracefully, really like women. They're really giving their best. At you can see that they're enjoying themselves here. Even playfully teasing each other. Dancing like a girl is also difficult kasi their choreography is hard. But for them, it seems so easy. They're not just dancing. It's like they were born with talent for. So, the rating I'll change it from 1 to 100. I'll give them a full 100. Okay, so like, grabe, I didn't expect this, pero SB19 totally gave the group energy, as in from the outfits pa lang, yung skirts, the styling, and ang linis talaga, di ba? Tapos when they started dancing, I was like, sobrang tuwan-tuwa ako, sobrang cute nila gumalaw, pero at the same time, ang sharp and on point na mga steps. And can we talk about Ken? Like, feel niya talaga yung performance. He really got both the girly and masculine pitik, super balanced, and ang galing na execution. Pero, to be fair ha, lahat sila marunong sumayaw and they give energy all throughout. Pero si Ken talaga, yung parang may extra spark, yung konting angat lang, mapapansin mo talaga si Ken. Para sa akin lang naman yun. Kaya, overall, super good vibes lang silang panoorin. Ang chill, ang saya, and ang satisfying ng buong performance. Pwede na talaga silang i-launch as a girl group if ever. Ganun sila ka-polish. 10 out of 10 for me, no doubt. 1 to 100. It's 100 for me.